All right, guys, what's going on? Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new, well, I don't know if they're new or not, but they're new to me, huh? The new Merrell shoes. These are the Moab Mid Waterproof. I bought these at Bass Pro Shops. And these are super duper comfortable. And here we go right here. It's got a nice look to it. Like I said, they are extremely comfortable. And I am in the landscaping industry. And I most of the time wear a slip-on boot. And last year I bought a Timberland hiking boot like these. And they didn't last that long though. Actually, I bought them this year. So I probably had them for about 6 or 7 months, I would say. But man, they are completely wore out on the bottom and around in that area. And they also ripped right through here on both of them. They were completely leather. These right here are leather in sections. These had really good reviews on Amazon and one more place I looked at. But anyway, I can't remember where that was. But anyway, I can't wait to try these on. I can't wait to start wearing them. I've already tried them on in the store, but they are really comfortable. It's really hard to get a shot of the inside, but they're really cushiony. They feel really good on you. I wear a 10.5, and these are, to me, a true 10.5. They're not. The toe feels good. The sides feel good. They're not too tight whenever I string them up and tie them. It's just a really good feeling. So, but I will do another one a couple of months later and tell you how they're doing. So, be informed about that. And all right, guys, y'all have a blessed day. Thank you for watching.